Hello, my country people. I don't show again. Now me be Chief Imo worldwide. Of course, you all know me. But I told us something recently that you should address me as international chief. Of course, you know I am. Today, I am in the street of Onitsha in Anambra State. So I ran into a young boy, and you know, anytime I am dressed like this, it's either I am after something or something is after me. But today, I am after something. I am here for young people, young mothers, young couples, young boys, young girls, young kids, young teachers, young pastors, and in fact, everybody young. I am here for us. Today, I ran into a student, and I want us to meet him before we continue. Hello, good day, sir. Please, can we meet you?
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon. Please tell us your name.
My name is Chikamso Samuel.
Chikamso Samuel. Iwonye Abiokute, Iwonye Egypt. Where are you from?
I'm from Anambra State, in Urumba South.
And your name is Chikamso Samuel. What about your family name?
And then more.
Kita kebia. Unu na-elele mmụọ gị hapụga mmụọ na-ele Samuel. Hapụga Samuel na ya na Sarah ahụgla ihe ahụ na akwụkwọ, okay? So you Chikamso Samuel Elemo. That's what makes you whom you are. At least it shows you nwa afọ. You got to fly hand nagi. All right, Chikamso, me looking at you, you are beautifully and in fact you are organized. I love your shoe. This is royal blue. You know, gigally share with the black. Wow. Amakwam na you got to go name make a diota. You got to go okay. All right, please, Chikamso, can you tell us what you're wearing and how much does it cost?
The top alone, I don't know. It's a gift.
Okay. The shoe too is a gift.
It's a gift.
The trousers are a gift.
It's a gift.
And the bag you are carrying
is a gift.
Then your life also is a gift
from God.
I know. Please, let's appreciate Chikamso. Everything he's wearing is a gift, including his life. And you are also a gift to your parents. That is why you are hustling to make them proud. God bless you. So Chikamso, can you tell us what you do for a living?
I'm a student.
Wow, Chikamso is a student. One school. You got to go. So, what are you reading? What course are you reading in school?
Department for court.
Sir?
Department for court.
Please, first of all, what's the name of your school, please?
OOO Miriri Secondary and University School.
OOO Miriri Secondary and University School. Here in Nigeria or outside Nigeria?
It's in Anambra State.
OOO Miriri.
Yeah.
Wow. What's your course again, sorry?
Department for court.
Department faculty. What are you guys into? What do you produce? I mean, after department faculty, what is the end? What is the summary of where would you get yourself, or what would you be studying at the end of time?
You can work at any office. You can work in any office. It's a borrowed course, so you can work at any office. So that is it.
A borrowed course?
Yeah, from Ghana. It's a borrowed course from Ghana to Nigeria.
Wait a minute. Your course is borrowed from Ghana to Nigeria. Yeah. And after schooling, you can work in any department. You can work in any office. Yeah. I'm lost here. Okay, what level are you?
I'm in level 2000.
Jesus. Wait, did you start school in the year 2000 or you are in level 2000 like we all know?
The more they borrow the course, the more the level I'm getting to.
Hey. This one shocked me. I mean, this is the first time I'm hearing this. Are you for real or you are kidding me?
No, after the school now, I'll go and serve Oga. Then if Oga said to me, I'll start that is Department for Court.
You be mumu.
What do you mean?
You are a mumu.
Hold on, sir. Sorry, I'm laughing. After your department of faculty, you go and serve your Oga. From serving Oga, you be that means running market. All these apricot boys, like you collect, or it's not apricot boys anyway. You help somebody bring goods from somebody's shop, you top your own, and then you do. You still have to go back to that after school.
That is a borrowed course. I'm practicing the course I read in school.
Okay, after the school you go back to like that. I mean, assuming you want to go back and do maybe you want to do IT.
No, there is no IT in this one. You suit yourself.
No IT, you suit yourself. Did you do secondary school or you just entered the university?
It's from the secondary school. They will give you what they call IFE. From the IFE, go to the department faculty.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I'm laughing, but the whole thing is getting me more confused because I can't tell them separate, and then I tell them in Swahili. Wait a minute. After this, you got bad boy. You got say boy. Now you go back to your faculty, and then you become.
Yeah, Igbo Osafia.
You be mumu.
Yeah, Igbo Osafia. Then that is where they will settle you in school.
Oh, for real?
How many times would they tell
Okay.
you?
I'm even lost of words. The whole thing I want to ask you, maybe share my own. I don't even know where to start again. Okay, Chikam. So, in fact, it's nice meeting you. You say you are.
Ask me more.
I should ask you more.
Yeah.
Okay. Where exactly are you from in Anambra?
I'm from Obunka in Orumba South.
Obonka, that is towards Umunze. Side the Bay flavor. Wow. Your parents, are they alive?
2 of them are still coping. They are still alive.
Okay. Not. Oh, they are coping. Your siblings, you
My brother, on a boss in a main market.
oh, this Osaka is not even something that is just only, is a family hereditary, something you inherited. In fact, it's a family thing.
The state audited. Yeah, anybody from Anambra must do Osaya. So that is why they call us Anambarian.
You be mumu.
Wait, so is a state oriten?
Yeah.
Oriten. Is that an English word or Ghanaian?
That is why I say I study faculty. Yeah, faculty in school. If most you are studying for faculty, that is why you are learning to do English.
Are you a Christian?
I'm a Christian.
Which church do you attend, please?
Intervention ministry.
Intervention ministry. Where is that?
We're at Bida.
Bida. Ah. So, what's your post in the church?
My post. They've not posted me to any state.
You be mumu.
Oh my
You
goodness.
say wise.
Chikanso, you know what? Thank you very much. I think I have lost it. At this juncture, I cannot continue because what I'm hearing is different from what I'm asking.
We are not at the junction, we are at the street.
No, I mean at this juncture, this point in time, at this minute. That's what I mean.
Okay, no problem now. If you don't have any question to ask me, let me go back to school.
Oh, mumu
All right, please, are you on Facebook? If somebody wants to get your handle, because I can see you are an entertainer. You are very, very funny. In fact, you should go into comedy because you are more or less a comedian than a student you say you are. What is your handles on Facebook and then Instagram? Tell the viewers so that they can follow you and get more of you because it will all go BP. Please tell us your handles.
And Aqua.
No, your Instagram page. Elehina on a Facebook and Instagram.
Okay, what I answered or what I used to took from Instagram
You
is
say they
Odumeje,
wise.
Junior at Facebook. Ezego Odumeje. That is it.
Odumeje.
Junior at Instagram. Ezego Odumeje in Facebook.
Then what about your TikTok?
Odumeje 688542.
Now is all your phone number is there. Odumeje 68542. All right, thank you very much for giving me your time. God bless you, sir. No, it's okay. You can go, sir. Thank you. This is serious. My people, you can see. Okay, some people are really suffering from so many, mental issues, but we cannot really say he is suffering from anything. But from all indications, I know something is wrong somewhere because from all he said, and what anything water, everything he was saying was going off in. But then I had fun. I think you too, you have fun. You heard his handle, you can follow him, you can support him. You can also keep on following Chief Imo. Share this program if you're watching from anywhere. Make sure you keep sharing all our programs. Remember, I only have one page on Facebook. I only have Anokute Longinus and fans as my page on Facebook. Oriako Longinus is my real normal Facebook. So please, this is only two, and my Instagram is at Chief Imo. Any other one is fake. My TikTok is official Chief Imo 2 together. God bless you. I love you all. Stay tuned and keep on watching Chief Imo Comedy. And my YouTube handle is Chief Imo Comedy. One love.